Hello students, in this video we will discuss combination of capacitances in series. Let us consider three capacitors with capacitances C1, C2 and C3 connected in series across a battery of potential V. In series combination of capacitances, the charge Q on plates of each capacitor is the same and is equal to the total charge supplied by the source. However, the potential V supplied by the source is divided among the three capacitors in inverse proportion to their capacitances as V1, V2 and V3. Thus, higher is the capacitance of a capacitor, lower is the potential drop across its plates and vice versa. Thus, the total potential V supplied by the source is equal to the sum of potential drop across the three capacitors. Or in other words, we can write total potential V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. If C equivalent is the equivalent capacitance in series combination of capacitors, then total potential V supplied by the source is given by V is equal to Q upon C equivalent. So comparing equation 1 and equation 2, we get, in place of V, we can write Q upon C equivalent is equal to V1 can be written as Q upon C1 plus V2 as Q upon C2 plus V3 as Q upon C3. Or we get 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. To determine the magnitude of potential drop on capacitor with capacitance C1, the potential drop V1 will be equal to the total charge Q on capacitor plates divided by the capacitance C1 of the capacitor. So we can say V1 equal to Q upon C1. Now from equation 2, Q is equal to C equivalent into V. So substituting Q is equal to C equivalent into V, we get V1 is equal to C equivalent into V upon C1. Similarly, the potential drop across the capacitor with capacitance C2 will be given by V2 is equal to Q upon C2. Again from equation 2, Q is equal to C equivalent into V. So substituting Q is equal to C equivalent into V, we get V2 equal to C equivalent into V upon C2. Similarly, the potential drop across the capacitor with capacitance C3 will be given by V3 equal to Q upon C3. Again from equation 2, Q is C equivalent into V. So substituting Q is equal to C equivalent into V, we get V3 equal to C equivalent into V upon C3.